if you're the serving team, make sure that you're doing this, otherwise you're giving up free points. And I'm talking about make sure that you're gaining ground towards the kitchen. A lot of times I'll see specifically tennis players or other racket sports players just try to hang out in the back court when they're serving. And though it might be comfortable for you, this isn't where people play, okay? Points in pickleball are won and lost at the kitchen lines. Make it your goal to gain ground to the best real estate on the court, which is the kitchen line. That's gonna help you win more points.
Make sure you save this if you found this helpful, and don't forget to follow me because for the next 15 days, I'm sharing 15 strategies to help you win more games in pickleball. I'll see you in the next one.